Hi, welcome. My name is CJ from Hollywood Makeup School, and I'm here to tell you about our eyelash extension training that will help you start an amazing eyelash extension career, no matter your educational background or current industry. Now, let me quickly share with you why choosing the right training program is the golden ticket to growing a successful and profitable business. While the quality of your work is important, it does not make your business a successful one. How you run your business determines its success. Therefore, your success depends entirely on the education you receive. It's definitely not easy finding the right training. I know you want to make sure you get the best education your money can buy so that you can have a successful business. You can attend one of those very expensive classes, or you can buy a kit online and try to learn it all by yourself from YouTube videos. But there are problems with both of these options. Let me explain. Choosing an expensive training class that will cost you over $1,000 sounds like a good idea. You think it will give you the best education, but you're just paying extra to cover the rent, staff, and other overhead costs to operate an expensive school. Don't forget that the school's shareholders make a ton of money too, and not necessarily for the value of your education. On the other hand, if you want to spend as little as possible, you can buy a cheap kit online and try learning how to do eyelash extension yourself from YouTube videos. But I can almost guarantee that you will not get the crucial information you need for a successful and profitable business. I know about these challenges all too well because I had to take so many different classes to learn everything I needed to run the successful business I have today. I had to take basic lashing class, then advanced lash styling class, then marketing class, then social media class. Whew. The good news is, you don't have to go through all that. I have included in this class everything I learned from over 10 years of experience in this industry to run a successful, profitable business. And that makes it a lot easier for you to have a successful eyelash extension business now more than ever before. That's why I'm so excited to tell you about our eyelash extension training I created that's definitely effective, affordable, and very easy to follow. Hollywood Makeup School's eyelash extension training provides detailed, easy-to-follow training from product knowledge and lash application to marketing and sales strategies for your business. Using in-depth video tutorials and detailed written explanation, we will make sure you get the best eyelash extension training you can that's also fun and easy to follow. At the same time, we want to make sure you can grow this into a very successful, profitable business. We want you to be your own boss and have the time and freedom to live a happy, beautiful life. Now, have you considered how much money you can make doing lash extensions? The average price of classic lashing these days is around $80 to $150. Let's say you want to charge $100 per client. If you have 10 clients a week, working around 20 to 25 hours per week, you can make $52,000 a year. You can easily have this as a side job or make more money from doing this full time. It's totally up to you. With our training, you will be able to satisfy all kinds of clients, and you will also learn how to customize and create different designs for them. This training includes a kit valued at over $200, and you will also receive a certificate from Hollywood Makeup School once you complete all program requirements. By now, you're probably wondering, how much does this cost? Well, the regular price of this class in person is $595, but because you are taking this class online, you're going to get an amazing deal you won't find anywhere else. Instead of paying $595 today, you can take this awesome training using our amazing payment plan of 5 easy monthly payments of $99. That's right, just pay $99 today. You don't have to wait for the kit to arrive. You can start your training right away. Are you ready to start a successful, profitable business doing eyelash extension? Check out the information below and register to start this training right now. It might just be the best investment you will ever make. We at Hollywood Makeup School are super excited and looking forward to working with you soon.